Green Dream Project, model build, update number 2. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Adventures Model Building. Been working on that Green Dream Project's 53 Chevy panel wagon. Got the decals on. Getting the motor put together. Got the dash done. The instrument panel, everything. Working on the interior doors. Working on the frame. Got the mufflers chromed. That's what I got done so far. Probably be working on it some more today. It's been snowing like a dirty bugger outside. I'll show you a little clip of that here. Well, as you can see, it was snowing. Like I said, I'm dealing with that. I'm dealing with getting this done. My sister slipped and fell the other day. My oldest sister that's alive that has MS. Anyway, she slipped and fell, broke her ankle, and so I've been keeping updated on that. So we may end up going down and seeing her. Don't know yet. But figured I'd better give you an update of where we're at on this Green Dream project. So, not much of a video, but we're getting there. Everybody have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, as soon as I meet 500 new friends here on YouTube, I'll be building a model for one of you. So make sure you share the video and get it out to everybody and get your logo sent in to the email at eicg@yahoo.com, or you can send it through the snail mail to the address below. Alright, here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for in this area over here. Okay?